Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to extract in Repo. After loading up a level, you will first need to go out and explore. Gather enough stuff to reach the quota, which you can see in the upper right corner. Then collect enough stuff, you can simply deposit it into this area or go with the cart and then move the cart into this area. After reaching quota, you'll get 3 seconds to vacate the area and then go into the truck. Here you can start the engine to go to the store. And that's about it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.